Hi, Deploy. I'm super excited today to talk to you about one of my favorite deploy stories. It's actually a deploy story that's not really about software. It's about deploying empathy. There was a time, I worked at a big startup, and I shipped a bug on a Friday during happy hour where not everyone was totally ready to fix it, where I dropped 19 tables out of a core database. That's bad. Someone months later said, it would have actually been better if you just dropped all of them. The recovery path is much easier when there's nothing left. We recovered. It took many hours, very stressful hours. Stress, sweat, definitely part of a thing in my life during that time. But we got through it. Later that night, our then CTO said, Dave, you made a mistake. Anyone can make that mistake. We need to fix that. We need to create some controls. Never allow that to happen again. But you are not in trouble. Don't worry. Your job is safe. Come Monday, everything is as it was. Now, please write the postmortem. Lead a postmortem or a post-incident review. Let's talk about it. Let's make sure this never happens again, because that was not great. But let's make sure it never happens again. And we went on with our lives. 1 year later to the day, coincidentally, within seconds of a deploy that I shipped, the same thing happened. Interestingly, we actually had done all of the action items. We had created controls. We'd done a lot of work. But we missed something. And it kind of bit us. I spent a lot of that day talking to the engineer in question and assuring them that, just as the CTO had said to me, there were no consequences. They had done nothing wrong. The consequences were bad. It was a few hour outage. It was not good. We recovered. We got through it. But from what I took from that is the key is deploying empathy, applying engineering to solve the things that are preventable after we learn, and moving forward, always ensuring that when we think about deploying, we think about software, we understand that things will go wrong. And it will be probably at the worst possible time. And that when we deal with those incidents, we deploy empathy. We think through how others feel, and we ensure that everyone is safe on our team so they can continue delivering amazing software for our companies. All right, Deploy, thank you very much for your time. Talk to you soon.